Hi, my name is Todd, and I'm a librarian here at the Tehama County Library.
Hello, I'm Eddie. I'm a clerk here.
And we are here today to go over Astronaut ice cream with you. Maybe you've seen our recent music video concert of the band Astronaut Ice Cream that we just posted, and maybe you're wondering, what exactly is Astronaut Ice Cream?
I certainly am.
Yeah. Astronaut ice cream was developed by basically freeze drying it to negative 15 degrees Celsius and then vaporizing
Very
it.
cold.
Very, very cold. And vaporizing it to suck all of the crystals out of it. And according to folklore, astronauts did not like the taste of astronaut ice cream, so it's a little bit different. So today, with the help of Eddie, we are actually going to go over kind of the process of what freeze drying food, different foods look like, and kind of the results of being frozen to negative 15 degrees Celsius. So we are going to be freezing an ice cream bar, just a standard ice cream bar. We're going to be freeze drying some Milk Duds, and then also some Jolly Ranchers. And then my friend Luana made this magical freeze dry machine. Normally to freeze dry this food, it takes about a day to freeze it and to dry it. We'll be able to do this in a matter of minutes because Luana is that good. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to put all the Jolly Ranchers in here, and then just drop Milk Duds in. Okay. And kids, don't try this at home, right, Eddie?
No, don't try this.
Okay. And then we're going to put the ice cream bar on top, and then we've got the lid, and it's basically sealed. I mean, this is
Close enough.
And Lou's machine's really magical, so it's gonna do it.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll put it in, okay, in the freeze dry machine, and we'll see you guys in about 20, 40, 48 hours.
There you go.
We need to find out what happened.
We should.
But let's just revisit. We put a regular ice cream sandwich, some Milk Duds, and some Jolly Ranchers into Luana's magical freeze dryer.
Let's open it up. Let's take a look.
Da, da, da. What's in there?
Okay, where should we start? Let's do the ice cream, shall we?
Ice cream. Okay, so I'll open up just the regular ice.
There's the ice cream.
Wait. So, okay, this is, look how melty this is, and then it's
Just like,
solid.
Look at it.
We're gonna make it, but look at this, guys. Great.
So,
do you want to try?
Can we try some?
You go ahead. Yeah. What do you think? What does it taste like?
It does taste like ice cream,
Okay.
but weird ice cream.
Weird ice cream. Okay. What are we gonna do next? The Jolly Ranchers or the Milk Duds?
I think the Milk Duds.
Okay, so we had just regular Milk Duds in there. And that's what it turns into after it goes into the freeze dryer
Like
for
a little
space.
beaker.
So I don't think astronauts would appreciate if this was in their mission pack for food.
Mm-hmm.
Are you gonna try eating it?
I don't know what you do.
I don't think I'm gonna eat it, but look, like,
Oh yeah,
it just turns to dust. That's crazy. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I don't think this would travel very well. So, okay.
Well,
so
lastly,
the Jolly Ranchers.
Got the Jolly Rancher.
Okay, we put in. Oh, we show those. Okay, you gotta try one.
that tastes like a Jolly Rancher.
It tastes like, okay, but it, like, the texture is not chewy, right?
But I know, see how this doesn't like,
Oh.
it's a lot difficult to do it. Science is fun and also messy, remember that.
So science is fun and also messy. Lessons from Eddie on science.
But don't try this at home, that's the key.
So this was fun learning a little bit about kind of what astronauts need to do in order to eat in space, because it's different. You're up in space and your food can't travel the way it normally would. For this week's challenge, it's really simple. So we have 5 packages of actual official astronaut ice cream. So in the comments section of the post, if you would just write, if you were an astronaut, let us know what food you would bring into space and why. And 5 people will be randomly drawn to win some astronaut ice cream, which is pretty cool. We're having a really fun time exploring space with you guys, and we thought this would be a fun thing to just learn a little bit more about what actually is astronaut ice cream. So we've got a lot of cleaning up to do.
Yes, we do.
So, thanks, you guys.